All right, well, today is departure day for me. I actually spent a couple nights here in Nick's driveway. Super appreciative of the hospitality. It's awesome to meet you,
Dude, I'm
man.
just glad you came. I was super rad to hang out this whole time. So
Right on, man. It's, I was telling Nick earlier, you're on the road solo. It's really easy to be isolated for long periods at a time. But, as humans, we need that interaction. And it was just really cool to hang out with a like-minded person. We got that
same,
SoCal connection. So
100%. Yeah,
it's just good to see you doing good out here in your new place in Arizona, man. You got a nice spread. Yeah, it's great to meet Lexi. She's a sweetheart,
yeah,
lucky man. And yeah, sure we'll see you down the road.
absolutely.
Right on.
And just like that, away he goes.
All right, it is time to go find a camp at a grocery store parking lot here near the Mesa, Arizona area. I'm going to head up to a place called Bulldog Canyon, and they allow camping out there. It's free, stay up to 14 days, so we're going to go check it out. See another vanner over here stocking up. All right, we're going to head for the hills. This is the Superstition Mountain area. Using this Highway 88. It should take us right into the foothills. Away we go. Thank you. Couple coming in behind me, they're gonna lock it. The stay limit here is 14 days, the sign says. Pull over and let these people pass me. Okay, let's go see if I can find a camp. It may be full up here. Did hear from a friend that there's only so many pull-offs here to camp, so we'll have to see. Feel kind of exclusive having the combination to the lock on the gate there. Now there are some open pull-offs right up on the road here. It'd be nice to get away from this main road with the off-roaders. We'll keep going up and see what we can find. We are approaching a weekend here, so I was a little concerned there'd be quite a few people out here. Kind of a little spot there, but again, it's like right up on the main road here. I'd like to get something that's a little backed off. Now there's something right here on the left, but it's kind of close to where someone else is camped. Oh, I should probably just snag that right now. Go up a little further. Kind of need to camp somewhere where I have cell service. I need to do quite a bit of online stuff here while I'm camped. And I think if I go too far back here, I'm going to lose signal. But we'll see. Yeah, I think I'm going to go back and grab that one spot. It's looking like this road gets a lot more narrow, more suited for ATVs. So. And then I'm going to be behind this mountain, which is blocking the cell service. So I think I'll just go right back to where I was. Gosh, the view here is epic. Well, I'm going to do what I do at a lot of areas like this. I'm going to grab this spot that's available. I'll probably end up unloading my mountain bike and just using it to scout out. It's just a lot quicker. See if we can back into this one. Okay, well, we'll give you a shot at camp here. I actually spent a couple days just across the way on this little opening here. There was a big travel trailer parked where I'm at now, and they left yesterday, so I hopped on over here. It's kind of nice because they were running a generator from about 6 a.m. to about 10 p.m. Letting it run all day. So it was nice to hear that go away. This is just a much nicer spot. Got a nice view of the hill here. This mountain over here is something else. Got a couple nice big saguaros in my camp. And I'm parked at such where I'm pretty level. And then also the afternoon, I got a nice bit of shade over here. Got my chair and table set up there. Working out really good. I think I'm going to stick around here for a little bit. Ranger did come out yesterday checking for permits. I got my permit online. It was $16 for this area for a 6-month permit. That's what gives you the code to the lock at the gate. So it worked out good. She did take note that I was here and reminded me of the 14-day limit. So I assume if she'll be back, she'll be checking up on me. So first time I've had a ranger stop by camp in a while. It was interesting. Anyway, I'm just kind of hanging out here, getting camp set up, get a few more things out here. I may have to break camp once during the week here, so I'm going to leave a few things behind to hopefully claim this camp. I'm going to set up a tent, my shower tent, my small tent, see how that goes. Well, I really have been grilling up a lot of chicken lately, but I am trying to hone in my recipe here for a marinade. And man, going with the chicken thighs. It's been turning out great. This is the latest batch. Someone left a comment in my last video that I need to carve my own spatula, and actually this one I did. I just always forget to use it, so I'm keeping it in the grill bag now, so hopefully I'll remember. Okay, we're about ready. All right, it is shower time. I've got my shower tent set up over here. I'm using the pump up spray bottle. Had this out in the sun all day today. I think it got up to about 80 degrees. So this is nice and warm. Tested the water, it's nice and hot. So get this shower done before the sun goes down. Okay, we're coming at you from the camper van here today. I'm going to make some modifications. Got a little project going here. This has been my desk set up here. I made it lower than the countertop, the kitchen countertop. I thought that I would like sitting in a chair and working on my laptop there, but it turns out I actually prefer standing while I work, so I've been using this to work on my laptop. So I'm going to bring this up to the same height. So just have it L bracketed to the floor and then a bolt going through to connect these two units. Tried to make everything kind of modular in here, so I was able to pull everything out. The aisleway in the middle here is wider than the width of this desk, so I could actually pull this whole desk out if I need to work on it. I think I can do everything inside here. I'm just going to unbolt it, pull it forward. I'm going to get it raised up, get it the exact height here. And then I'm going to build a shelf underneath there. I've actually got a small microwave that I'm going to put over in the corner here on the shelf that I'll be able to run off the solar. I think that'll help me save on propane use. And yeah, the shelf will add a little bit more storage. Might do another extra shelf on this side as well. We'll see where it goes. I'm going to have to modify up top here. Unfortunately, this unit again is modular, so I can just unscrew it here, remove that from the top of the desk because I'm going to be coming up. I'm going to have to do something different. So see if I can repurpose some of that wood, and we'll get busy. Okay, here's the modified desk. I'm really liking it. Microwave sits in there perfect. Needed to not have a lip on the front of this so the door can open. It's a tight fit, so I think that'll work out good. I've got the cord going out the side where I can plug it in there. And of course when I use it, I'll need to have a little space clear next to it. That's where the vents are. And not sure how I'm going to handle this, if I'm going to put some doors on this or what. I definitely am over here either going to put some doors or some curtains. I'm not sure, but I am kind of tired of looking at all this mess. So at the very least, I think I'm going to be adding some curtains just to cover that up. And I need to move up top here and figure out how I'm going to design the cupboard little storage cabinet above the desk there. Next project. Well, we got a visitor coming into camp, guys. You should recognize the vehicle. It's been a while since I've seen it. Just about a year, maybe just shy of a year. It's been since I've seen this van. There it is. Hey, hey! All right, well, we're checking in at camp here. Another beautiful day. We got the grill going. What do you think, Rich? Another beautiful day, huh?
Beautiful day out here. Bulldog Canyon, Arizona.
Yeah.
Can't beat it.
Nice. Another one of these benefits of using the cast iron skillet as a lid for my grill. Heat up my buns on there too. Perfect. Cheese melting under there. It's almost time. There. It is grub time. You're welcome to use that plate if you need it.
Sure.
Yeah. All right, here we go. Let's give it a try. Yeah. Well, thank you for being here, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Just wanted to give you a little glimpse. I made a little bit more progress on my desk. Added these little shelves here. These are just secured to the top of the desk with pocket holes. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to put some little doors on these and have them open up out this way. I've got some small hinges I'm going to experiment with and see which ones work the best. But I really like it. I like the height. I really enjoy standing up while I work and edit videos here. So I think I might do a little LED light maybe up top here to have just a light on the desk itself. Same over here. little door to open up, secure stuff in there. And mounted the little power station here, my USB ports, my 12-volt port. Can just turn that on and off as needed. And then again, I've got the microwave underneath there, which can plug right into the inverter. Can use the microwave, which is awesome. The little home on wheels is coming along. Anyway, I hope you guys are doing well out there, and we'll see you again soon in the next video. Take care. Peace.